I'm Mark Leader, and welcome to the Leaders Elite website. If you have a minute, I'd like to take you on a quick tour. But first, let me answer an important question. Leaders Elite is a grad school level real estate marketing, group coaching, and educational resource for real estate salespeople who want to build on their past success. It doesn't matter whether you're an alumni of my 9-week Leaders Choice program or a veteran agent just looking to improve professionally or personally. Membership with Leaders Elite is your one-stop resource to market your business, manage and leverage your database, and become the person and agent that you want to be. Let's take a look inside. Your Leaders Elite membership includes access to some elite marketing tools. Leverage your Leaders Elite membership by taking advantage of these powerful custom tools. They will help you market to and communicate with current and future buyers and sellers, all from the Leaders Elite website and all at no extra charge. Plus, we're adding new ones all the time. Keep yourself accountable, focused, and on track with my personal activity planner. This proven self-monitoring module created exclusively for Leaders Elite members will keep you on top of the daily tasks that have consistently contributed to my students' success. With my personal virtual marketing agency, send customized postcards, create campaigns, manage client follow-up, and much, much more. Get daily emails of both for sale by owner leads and expired leads for your area so that you can identify and market to the sellers in your area who most need your services. I have compiled a series of nearly 50 professionally written business letters for the most common scenarios you might encounter when engaging your buyers, sellers, and other contacts. They are formatted and ready to go. You just provide the names and the follow-up. We'll provide the look and the content. As a real estate salesperson, successful customer relationship management is one of your most important activities and one of the most time-consuming. Not anymore. Now you can capture contacts into your database with just one click with the Address Grabber application for your PC desktop. Address Grabber saves you time by intuitively inputting and sorting your contacts, no matter where they come from: web pages, online directories, email signatures, and documents. With Address Grabber, it's no problem. In addition to the powerful tools I've just outlined, your Leaders Elite membership also includes access to a huge and constantly growing library of webinars taught by me, along with some of the industry's top thought leaders on a range of important real estate topics that can directly impact your business. Designed for realtors, by realtors, the Wise Agent is a complete, easy-to-use system for managing everything from your time to your transactions. The transaction management piece brings every part of the transaction together in one place, keeping everyone up to date and fully informed, anywhere, anytime. In fact, the Wise Agent has so many great features, you really have to dig in and take a look. Hear and see my daily, weekly, and monthly thoughts, both on video and in text. Constantly updated to keep you informed about what's going on within Leaders Elite and the real estate industry. That's just a short look at the many wonderful ways in which Leaders Elite can empower you to become the agent you know you can be. Why not sign up today for our free 30-day trial? That's right, free. Just click right here and you'll be on your way. I'm Mark Leader. Thanks for visiting with me, and remember, life is a series of choices. I choose success, and so should you.